So hello and welcome guys to this new video. At the beginning of this video I want to mention that this video is just for educational purpose only, and let's get started. So for example, I want to create a custom word list. You can create this with this tool in Kali Linux, which is known as CEWL. So to create a password list that contains 1 2 3 4 digits fixed at the first, and all the numbers in the jumbled or combined at the last four positions, we can use CEWS. For example, let me give an example. My password is let's say my password is 1 2 3 4 9 8 6 7. So this is the password I need to crack, but let me suppose I don't just know these first four digits and I do not know the last four digits. So what we can do is we can create a custom password list that contains 1 2 3 4 fixed at the first digit and all the possible combinations at the back of the 1 2 3 4. So to do this we are going to use AI. So for this I am going to use DeepSeek AI. So let me write my prompt. So here my prompt is ready and I am searching it in the DeepSeek. You can use any AI like ChatGPT or anything you want. So it's taking time, so I'm gonna try it in ChatGPT. So here it is understanding the question. So here it has given us the code. Let's copy this code and let's paste this here. So what happens, sometimes you cannot paste this here. So in case you aren't able to paste it, you can go to devices and drag and drop and click it to host to guest and go to share clipboard and keep it to host to guest or bidirectional as you want. So I'm pasting this here. So here it is showing that password list is generated as password list.txt. So I'm going to file manager and here you can see password list.txt. I can open it. Now you can see 1 2 3 4 fixed at first and it contains all the possible combinations of rest. So it has produced 10,000 passwords within a second. So not just only digits password, you can also create passwords for numerals and characters and special symbols. Everything you can do, you just have to explain a requirement to the AI and it will generate you the code or the command necessary, and you can just paste it here and you can generate the password list. It